Yeah, man, I know y'all saw that Olympic game last night.
Yeah, Olympic game, Kevin Durant like 40 points.
LeBron had like 30.
I don't care about LeBron. But what's that game?
Hold on. Tony, what's up, girl?
I was supposed to meet with some other girls, man.
Stop cuffing, bro.
Yeah, what's up, baby? What you doing?
Yeah, you always on the phone. Every time I hang out.
Nah, I ain't doing nothing. Yeah, I got time to talk.
Bro, hang up the phone, dude.
You whip, bro. You're
Yeah,
soft.
you're mad whips.
You're soft as cookie dough.
I miss you too. I've been waiting for your call.
Cuff boy.
You lying to her.
Boy.
Of course, you're the only girl I had.
Stop lying. I talked to you like 9 o'clock this morning, dude.
You just mad because that's my morning girl and you ain't got no girls.
He stays
Always lying to these females.
Stay cuffing.
I can't find this essay, man. Oh, that's Amanda. What's up, boo? Nothing. I'm just looking for this paper. Hold on. Just a sec. Hey, what's up, Tisha? Nothing. Just chilling, you know, at my locker. Hold on. Can you give me a second real quick? What's up, Erica? You haven't called me in like 2 weeks. Now you want to call me? Hold on. Just a second. I'm going to put you on hold. Hello? Amanda? Crystal? Yeah, what's up? Nah, Amanda's my sister. Yeah. I'm gonna call you right back.
I was so wrong for so long, only trying to please myself. Girl, I was caught up in her lust when I don't really want no one else. So no, I know I should have treated you better, but me and you were meant to last forever.